Hey guys, we're playing Temple Run 2 and it just got a lava update. So let's play it. No thanks. Play. Whoa. This is real cool. Okay. Jeez. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. What game should I play next? Let's see, what? Are we about to go in lava? I think gosh we're not. Alright. Ooh, get ready to slide. Yeah, okay. Down. I don't want to get burnt by any fire. And we'll activate the bell so you don't miss a video from me. And comment down below what game should I play. Because y'all guys are the best viewers. Okay. Got a couple more things. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's go. Alright, good. Okay. Whoa, what was that? Oof. Alright. Whoa, is that a dragon? Oh no, I didn't collect the shield. Alright, fire's about to approach. Another fire? Okay. Well, this is a lava update, so I should expect more fire. Right there. Alright. So guys, oh no. I triggered the crystal. I triggered the crystal monster. Guys, I have to pause the game for a minute, and then I'll come right back. Okay, I'm back. No, I died. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, that guy's creepy. Let's try not to trigger the crystal monster again. Okay, jump. Got it. I'm trying to get to the end. Because I'm not trying to die. Ooh, it's really cold. Okay, left, jump, jump. Okay. Whoa, what is down here? Oh no, I died. Alright guys, I'm back. Okay, I don't want to die again. Because it took me quite a while to respawn. Okay, jump up fire, then lava. Alright, I knew I chose the right path. Well, that was fun. Alright. Alright, my brand new high score. That's great. Woohoo! It's getting real hot in here. I don't think I could take. Ah, darn. Alright, guys, I'm back. Alright, so I can just do this. Let's do. And it does it by itself. Oh, yeah. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Alright, guys, I'm back. Oh, seems there's a brand new now. Oh, jeez, I forgot to jump. I'll just use a diamond. Get the chest. Jump. So, guys, let's go for 5,000 likes. Alright. Let's go. Let's die there. Okay, this is going real fast. Oh, jeez. I thought I could go under it. Guys, I use the bathroom. Okay. Jump. Jump. Haha, I did it. Oh, I wish I could get that super speed. Oh, dang. I only have one diamond left. Okay. I got me a new high score. Oh no. Well, guys, I'll see you. Okay, guys, I'm here, and I did a few power-ups. That's gonna be red, blue, yellow. I'm not gonna die again. So please hit that subscribe button and like the video. Let's get to 10,000 likes, because I don't want to die again. Oh, he got me. Cause some of y'all didn't do that. Okay. I'm going to get that power up, the red and blue and yellow. I'm gonna use that, because maybe that will give me good luck. Because half y'all didn't hit that subscribe button and like the video, so that's why I died. Alright. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. I'm getting a new high score soon. Oh, jeez. I'm shy there. See? I predicted it. I'm not sure if I have a superpower. And I know we're all staying in here because of this coronavirus. But I'm sorry to interrupt the video, but I'd like to give a huge shout out. The sponsor of this week's video is House Party. You get to add friends, play with them. See, like, say, I want to invite one of my friends. They can play Uno with me. And, yeah. And you get to do so much cool stuff. So, thank you, House Party, for sponsoring this week's video. Okay, we're back in the video. So we're back. Okay, let's do this one more time. Thank you. Okay, so we're getting some coins. Okay. Let's hope I don't die this time. No. So guys, that's what's going to end the video. Have a great day. Peace out.